You top doom scrolling for 1 second and hit that subscribe button right now. Because the secret to every cool thing you just saw is about to be revealed. Did you know that your phone is secretly watching you? Not in a creepy way, but in a totally brilliant way. It knows your face, your route to work, and the exact TV show you'll binge next. How? It's called machine learning, and it's not magic, it's just pattern recognition on steroids. And by the end of this video, you won't just know what it is, you'll know how to start using it. Imagine you're teaching a puppy a new trick. You don't program 100 rules like if ear is up, sit down. You just show it over and over and it figures out the pattern. You just show it over and over and it figures out the pattern. Machine learning is exactly that. Teaching computers to learn patterns and make predictions without explicitly being programmed for every single rule. We give the computer tons of examples, and it figures out the logic all by itself. Think of the 3 fundamental ways AI learns. 1. Supervised learning, the study guide. This is like studying with a fully labeled answer sheet. We give the computer the data and the correct answers. It learns the exact relationship. This is what powers email spam detection, instantly knowing which messages to trash, and the medical diagnosis tools that spot issues in X-rays faster than human eyes. It learns to predict Y from X. 2. Unsupervised learning, the detective. Here, we give the computer data, but no answers. It's the detective that finds hidden clues you didn't even know existed. Companies use this to group millions of customers into unique target markets, or to spot fake linked accounts. It finds the groups, patterns, and structure inside the data. 3. Reinforcement learning, the video game. This is pure trial and error, like learning to ride a bike or mastering a new video game. The computer tries an action, gets a reward for a good move or a penalty for a bad one. This is how AI masters games like chess or Go, and most importantly, how self-driving cars learn to navigate and make split-second real-world decisions. Let's use the classic example. Teaching a computer to tell a cat from a dog in 4 steps. Step 1, the fuel, data, and the first lesson. We start by collecting our study material, thousands of cat and dog photos. Crucially, we act as the teacher and meticulously label every single one. Cat. Dog. This labeled data is the first lesson. It shows the computer the correct output for a given input. Think of it. If a photo of a dog goes in, the computer must learn to say, dog. This meticulous labeling is how we give the AI the correct answers before it starts training. We need high-quality data because if our labels are wrong, the computer learns the wrong lesson from day 1. Step 2, training time. The computer's algorithm, that's its study method, starts looking for patterns, pointy ears versus floppy ears, size, nose shape. It makes a ton of wrong guesses at first. But here's the key. Each mistake teaches it something new. Step 3, the test. We show it brand new photos it's never seen. If the computer's accuracy is too low, we go back to step 2, that is back to training. Step 4, after the successful testing. Finally, the AI got a new brain we call the model. It is this new model that can now classify any photo you throw at it with high confidence. 3 final terms you need to sound smart at your next dinner party. Data, the fuel. Think of it like cooking. You could give a world-class chef 1,000 rotten tomatoes, or 10 perfect ripe ones. A great sauce is only possible with the quality ingredients. Garbage in, garbage out. A small amount of clean, accurate data is always better than a massive pile of messy, incorrect data. Quality beats quantity every time. Algorithm, the study method. It's the step-by-step procedure the computer follows to learn. Overfitting. This is when the computer cheats. It memorizes the training photos instead of actually understanding the difference between a cat and a dog. It performs perfectly on the practice test, but fails miserably on new real-world problems. This is the biggest hurdle for new AI projects. Machine learning is not some future sci-fi movie. It's everywhere right now. For example, machine learning is already in your entertainment, Netflix recommendation engine, Spotify's Discover Weekly, and those mind-blowing photo filters on Instagram and TikTok. Machine learning in your security, like your bank's credit card fraud detection and your phone's biometric security. Machine learning in the future can predict traffic in Google Maps, personalize medicine that's tailored just for you, and helping scientists model climate change. You do not need a computer science degree or a supercomputer to start experimenting. Want to try this yourself? Go to Google's Teachable Machine. You can train your own image classifier in minutes, no coding required. Just play. Or if you're ready to code, grab Python. It's the easiest language for machine learning, and you can find a free course on internet. Start looking for patterns everywhere. That's how engineers think. Now let's talk about the next evolution. AI is no longer just reading text. It's seeing, hearing, and understanding like never before. The biggest trend right now is vision language models. They're bridging the gap between what AI sees and what it can describe or create. We're talking about AI assistants that can describe images in real time or generate jaw-dropping art from a simple text prompt. The other two are just as game-changing. 1. Real-time multimodal conversations. Imagine this. You show your phone a broken appliance and immediately get live, spoken repair guidance from the AI assistant. It processes your voice and the image simultaneously. 2. AI-powered content creation is exploding. One simple text prompt can now generate an entire video, complete with audio and graphics. This is transforming how every content creator and studio works. Here's the bottom line. Machine learning is not replacing human intelligence. It's helping us solve problems that have way too much data for any human to process quickly. It is our ultimate tool. I want to know, which of these 3 trends excites you most? The real-time visual help, the amazing content creation, or the power of vision models? Drop a comment below. If this video helped you finally understand the secret behind your phone and Netflix, then you know what to do. Hit the like button, and if you want to keep up with the future of technology, do not forget to subscribe. Welcome to the future.